So this we have just discussed what their data types. Okay. Suppose we are starting tomorrow one class example. Okay. Suppose on integers or anything there. Okay. Suppose we have now example. Okay. I think this is what we are starting now. So print 1 plus 4.5. How much answer now? 5.5. Means I can combine int plus what? Float. Okay. Plus high. So this is possible? No. Because I can combine int plus what? Float. But we cannot combine int or float with what? String. But suppose in the future we have to combine them. I want to get the answer like 5.5 then high. So what we are going to do there? We are going to see the upcoming topics like what? String convert, like we are going to see type conversion and typecasting. So what I'll do, I'll convert this number 1 into what type? String, str of 1, then str of what? 4.5. So run the code. We're getting this what? 1 4.5 high. You should not say 14.5 high. Because sometimes they write this code and ask you to say the answer in the interview. Many of them will say what? 14.5 high. Is it 14.5 higher there? No, it is what concatenated there. 1 4.5 high. To understand this, explain this concept there, that is why we have seen the data types. Because when I go to string concatenation, if I again say what is float, again into there, possible there? So starting, that is why you have seen the what is data types. Okay. Then suppose you're doing the string topic example, we have some numbers. Okay. Now I'll ask you sum of the first and last number. Sum of first and last number is what now here in this case? First number is what here? 1. What is the last number? 4. So what is 1 plus 4? 5. But it may be any number na, in the middle. So for example, now sum of first and last is what now again there? 1 and 3. So how can we write the code this one there? Okay, simple. What I'll do, example, I'll take this in a variable a, example, keep in the strings, keep in the strings. See, when I say index, suppose if I say print a of 0, the index will always start from what? 0. So 0 position, what is it now? 1. So run there, 1 is coming up. Suppose if I say now 2, 2 means what will come now? Think once and tell me. Think once now. See, 0, always symbol. 0 means what? 1. 1 means what now? 4. 2 means what? 2. Then why confusing? Okay, you count. I know Python, I won't count. You count and tell me. 2. Again, totally coming up. Yes. Okay. Now 0 plus a of 7. Think and tell me once. Use your brain. See, one thing telling, okay. Online people, if they tell, I'll accept. Remember, it is like what? I'm driving by nearby home. Suddenly police was there. I don't know. Maybe they're distracted. But you're sitting in face to face now. No distraction, nothing is there. Empty room only. So if you say wrong answers, then what it means? Either sleeping or I didn't tell properly. So think once and tell me. First of all, A is what type? A what type? First of all, come line by line. A what type? String. A of 0 means what? 1. Then string can be concatenated with what? Another string only. You only told. So A of 7 means what is coming there? 6. So what will be the answer now? 1, 6. Both will be what? Combined together. But now, if I want to do the program there, so what I have to do now? I have to learn the type conversion and typecasting. Because I told like what? Sum of first and last. Example, A of 0 means what? First number. Now what is last? You don't know. So we have one concept. When I'm starting from left side to right side, we are writing as what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're starting from right to left, we write from -1, -2. Why -1? Why not -0? Again, someone will ask. Do we have -0? If you're driving a vehicle, you may know. But people who are not driving, I don't know again. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we are having in 0 only there again. There is no -0. Okay. So the last one is what now? -1. So now run once. So what is the answer now? 1 and 3. But what is my ultimate goal? I want sum of first and last. So if you think like this directly, if you convert it as enter there, then still it's not possible. Possible there? What happened? Just converted the total thing. First, what happened? 1 and 3 got combined, then have connected to what there? Enter there. So what I'll do first, I will make this 1 as integer, then make this 3 also as what there? Integer. So now 1 is one separate part, 3 is one separate part. 1 plus 3 is how much now? 4. So if you add now any number over here now, only number. Now answer is what now? 6. Okay, because this is a basic idea you need. Why are we learning these things, all these things? Without this learning this, what you're getting there? Nothing. But you know what is staying? You have to first of all, if I keep something in single quote, double quote, example, the new people came today now. For example, if I ask them to suppose first one, what's the type of A? If they know, okay. If we don't know, what number? Now guesses will start. Int, float. Are we playing jackpot, footpath, KBC here? So that is why we have to know this what data type it is. Single quote, if you keep double quote, it is what type? String. If I don't keep again, what is type now? Integer. In the integer, can I specify this position 0, this position -1? No, this total is one number now. See, run this, not possible only. Okay, like these topics we are going to see there. Then many topics are there. Just shown the few examples. A is equal to Python is there. We have to write in the uppercase. How will write in uppercase? Print A dot upper. We'll be getting all in the uppercase. If I write lowercase. Okay. Suppose I want to remove the spaces. Okay. Because suppose if I do length of A, what is coming here? Length of A, check once. How many characters are there in this Python? 6 now. Check there. What is answer coming there? 11. Because even spaces are also counted. So we'll be applying a method called a strip. Dot strip. Now what will happen in this strip? Will remove the spaces from the left side and the right side. Now I'll be getting the correct answer as what? 6. But starting W, if I still all this one. Flight not taken off, not taken off, not taken on down also. Okay, so depth we are going to see all these things. But first, what I need the confirmation is what from you? Data type should be perfect. If I write something and show you, you have to say it is int, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, set, dictionary. This identification you have to compulsory know. Then anywhere in the Python, if you're seeing as hash before the line hash, it is what type of comment? Single line comment. If you're seeing 3 times single quotes, then it is what? Multi-line comment. But before this, I have written the print there. String. Now it is what? String. Because multi-line comment or multi-line comment, 3 times single quote, double quotes. Without print statement, multi-line. But with print statement, string. Okay. Yeah. So yesterday, some of you have sent a screenshot. Hemant, who here? Hemant here or there online? Today not came. See, in the coding, there is nothing wrong if you're copying and pasting anyone's code. Okay, we all copy. Even I also copy now. Also, everyone copied. Just a message sent it. Okay, so copying and pasting is not a wrong thing. But if you're copying a wrong thing, problem now. If a topper is showing you correct answer, also example is showing the first answer. If I write for the 8th month answer there, will I get marks? So first question answer you have to write there. I cannot write 8th question then write the first answer there. Okay. So what is the mistake I'm telling is suppose he's written there what day 2 I think still the screenshot is there in the WhatsApp. He written day 2, he written something in the 3 times single quotes from here. And in closing also 3 times single quotes. If you see, check the image, there is yellow color there over here in the WhatsApp. So this day 2, I want to print or not print? This data I want to print? No, no. So he has to start from here. He has started from what? Here. Because this line is counted or not counted, I have to decide first of all. If counted, write in the print statement. Not counted, keep in 3 times single quotes or keep in the hash. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. So, yeah. So tomorrow you create one Gmail account and come. Okay, you're already having a Gmail ID. Okay, but I want a very small ID. Means your name should be very small. Your name, suppose date of birth @gmail.com. It should not be any fancy. Example, mostly I get only one name, angelpriya@gmail.com. Will have now. Suppose example, some people nowadays, rahulrocky@gmail.com. Yes or no? But as you're going to software, that email will be important for your upcoming future. Okay, so your email should be very small first of all. If it is very big, it will be a problem. Problem is what? Someone have to type your total thing there. This big names. Yes or no? You only think once. Because starting when they told me, I told I won't change. Same thing I am using now. Now my name is having around 18 characters. 18 characters have to type, then @gmail.com. So you usually think once that is better, or having a small ID is better. Okay. So we have to create how many Gmail IDs now? 2 Gmail IDs. But don't forget the password, okay? Because we are using this one now to create a GitHub account. To create what? GitHub account. So, okay, for tomorrow, just to make sure you're having the 2 Gmail IDs. Don't forget the password. Your phone, bring a phone if you're having it, okay? Mostly not required, because bring one phone, okay? Even if you're having, bring them, because OTP will be coming to that mail. Okay, OTP will be coming. Your account will be verified. Okay, that I'll be showing the tomorrow class. Fine. Okay, so I'll stop it till here. Finish the today's task, send in the WhatsApp group. Okay.